students, last class we discussed about closure property under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in rational number chapter, right? We'll continue with this. I want to explain you role of 1. Role of 1. Role of 1 is nothing but if you multiply to a number, what number if you multiply to 3, again you will be getting 3. 1, right? Yes. Minus 2 into what is equal to minus 2? 1. Therefore, what you will say here, 1 is multiplicative identity. 1 is multiplicative identity. Okay, now role of 0. Role of 0. Here, to 1, what you add, you will be getting 2, 0. For minus 3, what if you add, you will be getting minus 3, 0. Therefore, 0 is additive identity. 0 is additive identity. Okay, now we'll see about inverse. First, additive inverse. Additive inverse. What is additive identity, ma? 0. Okay. To 3, if you add what, you will be getting additive identity 0 minus 3. Okay. For minus 5, what you will add, you will be getting additive identity 0 plus 5. Okay. Here minus 3 is additive identity or additive inverse of 3 and 3 is additive inverse of minus 3. Okay. Next, second one, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means if you multiply to a number, what you will be getting multiplicative identity 1, ma. What you will multiply, you will be getting 1 by 3. Okay, therefore 1 by 3 is multiplicative inverse of 3. Understood? Some boxes are there, we will fill this one. 2 into what you will be getting 1, ma? 1 by 2. Minus 5 into what you will be getting 1? 1 by minus 5. Minus 17 by 19 means minus 19 by 17. For 1, if you multiply 1, you will be getting 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, you will be getting plus 1. Okay. What into 2 is 1? 1 by 2. What into 5 is 1? 1 by 5. Minus 19 by 17 equal to 1. Okay. So, any two numbers whose product is 1 are called multiplicative inverse of each other. Okay, students, we will discuss 1.1. Name the property involved in the following examples. 8 by 5 plus 0 equal to 8 by 5 equal to 0 plus 8 by 5. What is this? Commutative property. Second one, this is distributive property. 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2. 3 by 7 into 1 is equal to 3. This is commutative property over multiplication. Here, this is also multiplicative property over, commutative property over multiplication. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. This is what? Commutative property. We didn't discuss about this commutative property, distributive property. We will discuss now. Okay, 7a plus of minus 7a equal to 0. This is what, my additive inverse of 7a. Okay, or we can say role of 0. Here x into 1 by x is equal to 1. This is role of 1. This we will discuss. Okay. Before discussing that one, we will write multiplicative and additive identity for commutative property. Next one is commutative property. Commutative property is nothing but if you take with respect to addition, a plus b is equal to b plus a. A into b is equal to b into a. For example, if a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. With respect to addition, 1 plus 2 is same as 2 plus 1, right? With respect to multiplication, 1 into 2 is same as 2 into 1. No? This is nothing but commutative property. Now, associative property. Associative property. Associative property is nothing but a into b plus b into c is same as a into b into c with respect to multiplication. With respect to plus, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, here we will be taking three terms. If a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. We will see with respect to multiplication. 1 into 2 into 3 is same as 1 into 2 into 3. We will see this one. 1 into 3 to 6. 2 ones 2 into 3. 6 ones are 6. 3 twos are 6. Both are same? Yes. Now we will discuss with respect to plus. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 3 plus 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6. Both are same? Yes, this is associative property. Okay students, I think you understood this one. So here comes your homework. Find whether whole numbers, integers satisfy four operations of associative. Okay, 4 operations means plus, minus, division and multiplication. Okay, and next one, verify 2 by 7, 5 comma 1 by 2 satisfies associative property. Associative property for plus, minus, multiplication and division. Okay, thank you ma.